A Russian-made racing hot rod? You got it! Meet the Flying Brick, crafted by entrepreneur and racer Gay Kabarin. This sleek car gained fame by appearing in a St. Petersburg miniseries, scheduled for release early next year. The Flying Brick lives up to its name with a stylish design and boasts a V8 engine producing 500 to 600 horsepower. Originally, it had an even mightier engine reaching 700 or 800 horsepower. The use of a sequential gearbox aligns with its powerful performance. Safety features include external buttons for battery disconnection and emergency fire extinguishing. Don't miss the chance to witness this cool car in action. Here's another fantastic creation from Brabus, the Mercedes subsidiary. Unlike the car, this is Brabus's second ever motorcycle, limited to just 50 units. Boasting a powerful V-twin engine with 180 horsepower, this bike is a true rarity. Its captivating design features stunning carbon fiber elements, including air intake inserts. The 17-inch Brabus monolock Z wheels add to its allure. This upgraded version promises an exhilarating ride for the fortunate buyers. With its limited production, the Brabus 1300R Masterpiece Edition stands out as an exclusive and exceptional vehicle, making it almost too rare to resist the temptation of hitting the road. You think the Mercedes-Benz G isn't cool enough by itself? Well, then it's time to give it a custom upgrade with Renegade Design's famous tuning kits. The iconic G-Wagon from the major German car company hasn't seen a design change since 2012, when minor adjustments were made to the bumpers and grille. This time, Renegade Designs offers an extensive upgrade kit featuring more than 100 carbon parts, such as moldings, a front bumper lip, mirror covers, and more. The kit allows customization with options for glossy or matte finishes, letting you select the specific parts you desire for your vehicle. It's a significant enhancement compared to the previous subtle tweaks made to the car's appearance in 2012. This 1965 Chevrolet C10 has been given a surprisingly cool second life as a six-wheel beast. The Chevy C10 Slayer, unveiled at the SEMA 2021 car show, reflects significant dedication evident even through a screen. Conceived by American duo Doug and Brad DeBerti, the father-son team worked diligently to transform the car, originally in poor condition, requiring extensive component replacements, including the underbody. Their collaboration, with Brad's racing skills and Doug's tuning expertise, proved fruitful. The result is a remarkable vehicle boasting 900 horsepower, with the potential to surpass a 1000 plus with the addition of a supercharger. Scott's hot rod experts contributed to raising the car's ground clearance by 30 cm, showing the transformative efforts of this father-son team at the SEMA 2021 car show. What happens when you put Formula Drift World Champion Tanner Faust in the driver's seat of a Polaris Slingshot? Explore a series of exhilarating online videos featuring the Polaris Slingshot, a unique hybrid blending motorcycle agility with car stability. Witness a thrilling ride through the early morning streets of San Diego as the 400 horsepower engine pushes its limits. Is it a mutant motorcycle or a three-wheeler? It's both, a distinctive American hybrid. Operating with a single drive wheel, this machine combines the best of motorcycles and cars. The basic model boasts a robust 173 horsepower engine, with this version finely tuned for even more excitement. If you've tired of traditional snowmobiles and ATVs, the Polaris Slingshot presents an enticing alternative, a fusion of power and versatility that sets it apart in the world of exhilarating vehicles. The folks at Lamborghini also have a fondness for powerful engines. The Technomar Yacht, named Lamborghini 63, boasts two powerful V12 engines, a visionary creation by the company. The CEO, Stefano Dominique Carli, expressed that envisioning a Lamborghini on water would bring forth this stunning vessel. Drawing inspiration from Lamborghini models like the Miura and Koenigsegg, the yacht exhibits their design elements. With twin 2,000 horsepower V12 engines, the Lamborghini 63 can achieve impressive speeds of approximately 111 km/h, making it the fastest yacht ever crafted at the Technomar shipyard. This extraordinary maritime marvel showcases the fusion of Lamborghini's iconic style and cutting-edge marine engineering. Now let's take a look at the Scania R900 KIVARA tractor unit. Bayside Truck and Trailer Solutions, a South African company, undertook an impressive 2-year tuning project focused on enhancing heavy trucks. During this period, they achieved several notable accomplishments. Firstly, they revamped the truck's appearance to give it a more aggressive look. Under the hood, they made significant improvements, increasing the engine's power to 900 horsepower in regular mode and an impressive 1,400 horsepower with nitro. To enhance performance, they utilized engine control unit parts sourced from marine vessels. Finally, the team equipped the tractor unit with a unique, hand-assembled transmission. This tuning project showcases the team's dedication and expertise in elevating the capabilities of heavy trucks, resulting in a powerful and distinctive vehicle. Next year, Bugatti's Boiled hypercars will be shipped to customers. Only 40 of the exclusive Bugatti Bed cars, priced at $4.2 million each, will be available globally. Despite the high cost, enthusiasts are expected to pursue these limited French vehicles. The Bugatti Bed boasts a W16 engine with 1,600 horsepower, making it the most powerful and lightest Bugatti hypercar. Engineers claim its dry weight is only 1,240 kg. The car is equipped with a 5-speed automatic transmission to handle its impressive power. It's important to note that the Bugatti Bed is specifically designed for track use, capable of accelerating from 0 to 500 km/h in just 20 seconds. Have you ever noticed how cars on Google Maps sometimes look incredibly stretched out? Well, turns out that something similar can happen in real life. Consider this customized Ford F650 from the US. It underwent significant modifications, essentially turning it into a spacious 8-seater bus. The seats offer heating, and it features 3 doors on each side, adding a cool factor. If you find yourself bored on the road, you can elevate the experience with its audio system or enjoy a movie from the built-in ceiling player. Additionally, the rear-view camera proves useful for parking maneuvers. Here's another project hailing from Russia that aims to impress you with its speed. The S750K airboat is exceptionally fast, participating in the Balmile Speed Festival and setting a record by covering a mile at 155 km/h. Beyond speed, it boasts versatility, capable of carrying 1.8 tons of cargo, powered by a 430 horsepower engine. The manufacturer offers customization on their website, allowing you to personalize the boat with features like tables, lighting, additional batteries, awnings, and trailers. This ensures equipment tailored to individual preferences. Inside, the S750K accommodates up to 10 people, providing ample space. Russian craftsmen invested around 7 months into creating this custom trike. Its unique feature lies in its 3 gas tanks, simultaneously fueling the robust turbocharged VMAX engine with 160 horsepower. Crafted skillfully by the team, the rear axle incorporates old BMW suspension components, allowing adjustable ground clearance from 30 to 230 mm. Despite a substantial final cost, the Trike lives up to expectations. Its stylish airbrushing, a perfect match for the name Black Bear, adds to its allure. Let's check out the British quick flip styling. The team recently acquired a Ford Mustang for a new wrap. Beyond its stunning exterior, the car receives significant upgrades under the hood. The owner installed a VMP Generation 3 supercharger and various modifications, boosting the engine to an impressive 1,000 horsepower. Additionally, they invested in suspension, a custom carbon fiber dashboard, a unique hood, and a custom steering wheel. The Mustang's makeover is completed with 20-inch wheels. Interestingly, the owner's name is Bruce Wayne, prompting speculation about a connection to the all-black theme. The Canadian business jet Bombardier Global 5500 will take this selection to new heights. Engineers achieved a remarkable 133% reduction in the plane's fuel consumption, enabling flights from Sao Paulo to Paris, all while maintaining an ample cabin for 16 passengers. The cabin is designed for relaxation and productivity, featuring 3 rooms, a kitchen, and even a shower. Pilots will appreciate the Bombardier Vision, the first combined vision system on production airplanes. This system enhances situational awareness and offers advanced visualization features. The Bombardier has already received its inaugural order from an anonymous customer on the west coast of the United States, with a price tag of $46 million for this innovative aircraft. The Ram 1500 TRX is one of those cars that look tough and powerful straight from the factory. Meet the impressive beast, a 5.9 meter long and 2.2 meter wide powerhouse that commands attention on the road. It zooms with speeds up to 100 km/h, driven by a robust V8 engine delivering 102 horsepower. The all-wheel drive and automatic transmission ensure a smooth ride. Navigating off-road is a breeze with climate control, a rear-view camera, and entrance-exit lighting. This beast is ready for adventures, equipped with features that make handling diverse terrains easy. Personalizing it is a cinch, often just requiring protective fill. Another Canadian gem is the CanAm Outlander. The 6-wheel ATV, specifically the Max DPS 450 version, offers versatility with the ability to switch between all-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. It is equipped with a 38 horsepower Rotax engine, capable of towing up to 750 kg and carrying 213 kg of cargo on luggage racks. For visibility in the dark, it features a 70-watt headlight. The driver receives essential information through a 4.5-inch digital display. With its robust design and various functionalities, this ATV provides a thrilling experience. Where would you like to take it for a spin?